Yeah, this color is it. This color is definitely it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jada Nichole. If you guys are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. Do not forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also make sure you follow me on social media. I will leave it on the screen, or everything will be in the description box below. As you guys can see by the title, and as you guys can see by my appearance, hello, we have a new color going on. Like, I've never seen my hair this color. Y'all have never seen my hair in this color. What do y'all think? Like, really, like, isn't this so cute? I'm going to be doing a Niawigs headband wig review. They were so nice enough to send me over one of their headband wigs. They have so many different ones, but I want to get something different, something I've never had before, and I'm definitely loving this brown. If you guys are interested in seeing me unbox, install, show you guys some different ways on how I style it, then let's go ahead and get into the video. Look how nicely wrapped it is. Like, this is so cute. Even though it's after Christmas, like, I just thought that that was really cute. The packaging seems like it's gonna be bomb. So we're about to go ahead and open up this box and see what this headband wig is looking like. I'm excited. Y'all know, like I say, the headband wigs are definitely in now. And this one is gonna be a little bit different than the other ones that I've done. It's gonna be a different color, so I'm really excited to see. Even though I know it's gonna go in the trash, I don't wanna rip that. Oops. Whatever. This is on the trash anyway. Okay, so when you open up the wrapping paper, you have this beautiful gold and purple box. It just says Niawigs on the front of it. Finally got that open. So it's another part of it that says the Niawigs on it. Y'all can see it. On the back it says, "We live only to discover beauty. All else is a form of waiting." Okay, you got this beautiful gold and purple bag that just has the Niawigs logo on the front. So I'm gonna open this up. I forgot, what's the name of this one? Let me look it up. I want to pull it up on my phone so I can make sure. I think this is the Jennifer dark brown headband wig. 18-inch. Yeah, the hairstyle, I got it in natural wavy, so I think you can choose with this specific one. I think you can choose either straight or natural wavy, but I wanted to get natural wavy, that way I didn't worry about, you know, I don't have to worry about putting in like curls in it and all that stuff. So yeah, that's the kind that I got. Packaging is really nice. Y'all really did really good with the packaging. I love that. Honestly, like, I don't know about y'all, but when I get something and the packaging is all off, I don't even be wanting it no more, because it's just like, did you even take your time to send it over to me? Like, I'm the customer. Hello. All right, so of course they have the net around it, tissue to hold. So look at this color. Wow, look at that brown. That's so pretty. The curls are really pretty, really soft. Seems like it's really nicely stitched. So of course you got the headband part right here, combs. Y'all know the deal. Combs at the top, and then you have two on the side and one at the bottom. I believe this, does it come with it? Yeah, it comes with an elastic band as well. So if you want to make it tighter to adjust to your head, you can do that. But I'm loving this brown. It's a little bit more brown than I thought it would be, because on the pictures it looks a little bit more light, but it's really pretty. Hopefully I like the color, because I've never ever had my hair this color, like, ever. So yes, it's pretty dark brown headband, nicely stitched, really soft. Let's go ahead and put this thing on. All right, y'all, let's see. I got my mirror here. Clean it down. I've already brushed my hair back. I might have to redo my edges a little bit, but make sure this thing is fitting snug. Okay, it's fitting really snug. We have the Velcro strap in the back. Really secure. You can use the other combs in the elastic band for, if you know, if you want it a little bit more secure. Whoa. This color is really pretty. I actually kind of like it. I'm kind of feeling it. I don't know, I think it's just something I'm not used to. So it's not that I don't like it, it's just different. So yeah, I'm gonna comb through these a little bit. I probably should bring my curling iron out, or my flat iron, so I can fix the curls just a tad bit. Yeah, probably going to do that. Cause see, it's a little bit, probably because it was bent up in the bag, but it still looks really good. Just gonna go through the curls just a little bit, and it'll be a good, you know, way for y'all to see how good it curls. So I'm gonna just start here. It's so soft, like literally so soft. I don't really want to mess up the curls that were already in it too much. I'm going to try on this cute little Christmas headband wig. I wouldn't wear this out, but because they sent it and it's in the bag, I'm gonna try it on. Cute little Santa Claus headband. Okay, there we go. From afar you can't really tell, but it definitely has Santa Claus on it. It's cute. I like this. It's giving me like a, I don't know, like ginger brownish kind of vibes. It looks kind of reddish. I think it's because of the lighting, but y'all can see it like this close up. That's what the color looks like. I love how thick it is. Like, it's so thick. Like, I love that. I'm big on density. I do not like getting a wig and it's thin. Got a good look at what the Christmas headband looks like. I'm gonna try on the other ones. I have 4 more. Since this one is already red, I'm gonna try on the blue one and maybe this last one at the bottom here, this black and like tan one. I'm gonna try to do a half up, half down. I love a half up, half down. I'm not gonna take too much time to do it, but it's already falling into place anyway. Like, it's kind of already like falling as I go. Really cute. Yeah, this color is it. This color is definitely it. Let me see if I can curl this piece. We're gonna do, see what it looks like in like a low ponytail. And of course you want to make sure the band is, you know, hiding the Velcro piece when you do that, because nobody gonna be able to tell that it's a headband wig. They're not even gonna know. So you can do like a cute low bun like that, you know, if you're going to the gym. This bun at the top is really cute. It looks like a little bow. So I really like that. That's so cute and adorable. I love Niawigs. Thank you guys so much for sending me over this headband wig. I am loving it. Definitely give y'all A+ on the packaging. The packaging was great. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Come back for more videos, comment, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I will see you guys in my next one.